We're sorting our carts. Now here's a professional's cart.
Yeah.
All folded, hangers off everything, ready to go. And then there, this is the two of them. These are not professional shoppers. These are just regular, everyday.
You learned everything from me.
That's true. I learned everything. I learned everything from her. But you did really well today. Yeah. Oh, this is really fun. I love this part of the show. Hey friends, so I am back at the Hospice Thrift Store. You guys loved this store, and my mom is with me and my sister Aaliyah visiting from Massachusetts, so I said I'm going to take them to this store. So we're going to shop and see what I can find to buy to sell on eBay and Poshmark and see what my sister and mom find with us. Okay, I just did very well in the new arrivals section. These are Viore. These are women's leggings. My sister's my good luck charm. Are they Beta brand? I think they're Beta brand. $6. Yes. So they'll be $3. Now, she just handed me these, and the reason she handed them is because she said they feel good. Now, I can tell that this used to say Beta brand. I know this style and I own them. The name brand's worn off. But these are so nice. Are these hemmed? Always check the hems. I think these might be hemmed. Bummer, that's why they're half off. But I found the Viore leggings, women's black leggings, and 2 pairs of Eileen Fishers. If I could show you like a good YouTuber. Eileen Fisher, size a medium for $6.50. Some brown stretchy pull-on pants with a little hem. Ooh, I love the style on that, but I don't think so. Did I grab... Oh, this is a J. Jill Pima cotton top. And it's only $2. So we'll take that. And what'd you find, Aaliyah? Show us your favorite find.
Garnet Hill. Size 12.
Size
in
12.
Perfect condition.
How much is that one?
$6.50, and then
Oh, but the most important is the
$1.50 for the new baby.
For the baby outfit.
For our new nephew coming.
That Aaliyah gets to live 20 minutes from, and I live about 3,000 miles from.
I get to be the honorary grandma.
And she gets to be the honorary grandma, and I am an auntie who's too far away.
I'll try not to.
Yes, you will. This is the 50% off section. Oh, these are nice Zellas. Oh, no, they're not 50% off. Everything red tag is 50% off. I'm just showing you Gloria Vanderbilt and Tommy Hilfiger. These are brands I don't usually mess with. Sonoma. Oh, J. Jill denim. Oh, I looked at these last time. These are J. Jill denim. They're size 12. And they're cuffed, though. Do you like a... I love the color on them. They're kind of like a terracotta.
Yeah, because they would
high rise.
Like for
high rise cropped. So they
might be too big.
A red tag look black.
Yeah, that's what we're looking
That's-
at. Oh, good.
Yeah, everything is 50% off that's red tag. Oh, what's that in there? 3 ladies shopping. I'm literally, all my stuff is on the floor, okay? I dropped it. This is the real me.
These are
Let's be honest.
We're all the same, though.
I know.
Isn't that wild?
That's wild.
I really love this kind of beat up leather bag. I'm not finding any kind of brand, but look at the lining. It is so fun. I don't know what that is, like little people.
I have a
$8. That's nice. I like selling bags. I had to learn a lot more about shipping them. They have a case up front with like their nicer bags. So that might be worth looking at. Ooh. Look at this bird print. That is a good brand. This makes this. I can't read what that says, you guys. Snive and Ganulia? I don't know what that is. $12. I just love a good bird print. I love these things at the thrift store underwear and bra section. Just digging through. $8. Why is this $8? Oh, I think they have some good designers in there. Why is this $8? I don't see a brand or anything. Okay. Oh, there we go. Third Love. Oh, I think that's really good. Third Love. $3. I'm gonna look that up and half off. I think that's a good brand.
I mean, it doesn't matter anymore about dressing. I love that part of what's happening with
I know you can just wear whatever.
because you wear jeans and then you can wear
Ooh,
dresses.
Prana. Prana sports bra for $3. That's nice. Huh. I'm looking through the bra section. It's quite enjoyable, actually. There's some decent stuff in there. What's this? It seems like they're $3.
That's a good price, yeah.
What's that say? Oh, Brooks. I don't think that's anything amazing. So I also found in there, so Third Love, that one's really good. Another Soma bra for $3. Really good lingerie brand, 38DD. Like a black lace number. The Third Love, and then the Prana one. So those are $3. Ooh, what you looking at? Hats, Mom?
Look at this. I just can't
It looks a little Western.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Look at that.
Okay. Mom's looking for a hat. What's the brand on that? Designed. Let me read that. That might be good. Designed by Kekuji. No idea. That's not going to be good. I don't think that's going to be good.
me.
Mom. No.
Yeah.
I don't think.
It's a great hat, though.
When you, a Free People sweater. Oh, I saw this already. It's super marked up. This is that Free People sweater. It's not even in good shape. So I'm not going to sweat it. Oh my gosh, look at this skirt with the bird print. Who's making this? Look at that. Pleated skirt with like loons. Doesn't sound right, does it? A loon? Let's see who's making this baby. I don't see a brand. So cute.
Oh, it's
This is like the marked up section, vintage and up priced. New with tag Duluth. They put these safety things on, $22. Free People. Oversized rust colored sweater, $22. $15 for some Levi's. Sometimes they have really good brands in here, so I think it's worth it. We the free size 24 corduroys. Oh, they're 30, but they're half off. But I think 15 is still too high for that for me. And Chico's. I love this section, and there's really good stuff in here. Michael Kors for 15. Hudson, $16.50. I can hear the two of you, so if you better be saying positive things about me over there. Burberry Brit size medium for $16.50. Now, if this had some signs of it being Burberry, some Burberry plaid or something on it, then I would definitely pick that up for $16.50. But because it doesn't have any obvious Burberry features, I don't think it'll be as popular.
Did you see these Chico's pants?
Not yet. Let me come over. I think that's really nice for $6. Love it, but the owls, 15.
You have owls somewhere in the bathroom.
Do I?
Owls.
Oh, I do have owls. I love them. I don't know. I don't need another.
A present. But let's see what else.
That's not usually a problem. Bit of a problem where I do not need any more pottery, but oh my gosh, these are interesting. How interesting. Oh, they're not what I thought at all. They have like a cutout leaf print. They're very well made, you can tell. They're signed and they're light. They have some weight, but they're light. Those are beautiful. Really interesting. These are a few other things I found. This is a linen skirt by SFCC, San Francisco Clothing Company. It's only $6, and it's a long, like a chambray blue wrap front, so that's a really good pickup. This, I was just telling my sister, I only pick up special pieces now in this brand, and I really like this. It's made well. It's a size 8. It's $4.50, and it's a linen wrap skirt with a belt. So I've stopped picking up like t-shirts and things like that in the brand, but I'll still pick up more substantial, nicer pieces that are a little bit special. This is such a good pickup. It feels so incredibly soft. That's why I looked at it. And this one's Athleta. It's only $3.50, and it's a 2X, like an A-line, really pretty sage green skirt. So those are a few things. You should see my mom and sister's cart. It's like overflowing, as is mine at this point. Funny thing is we thought we were going to go to we're like, oh, we'll have enough time to go to 3 thrift stores. Yeah, we haven't left this one thrift store. Just what I need, more vintage linens. If I come home with any more, Petey's probably going to leave me. Oh, but they do have, look at more embroidered linens. I collect these. I have so much. Look at that. Just little works of art, $2. I have so much. I got so much at the bins last time. Here's I love looking at the linens. This is one of my favorite brands that my sister Aaliyah also found, Cut Loose. Do you guys find it? It's designed right here in San Francisco. Oh, it's got holes. It's got holes in it. It's only $4.50 too, like a linen tunic. Oh, that's too bad. And I found this, and I usually wouldn't pick this up because it's small. It's an extra small, but I've fallen in love with it, so I feel as though I must. Soft surroundings, extra small, but look at the style. It is a sundress.
Yeah, I love that top.
Super lightweight, gauzy with lace.
Thank you.
Oh, like a drop waist, and it's only $5.
Opening.
$5. My mom's yelling in my ear. That's okay. We get used to it. This Cut Loose find is amazing, but I found holes in the armpit.
Oh, too bad. Are you gonna get that?
OMG. Yes.
Yeah. It's so pretty.
OMG. What is the price on this? $4. Somebody's not paying attention. Men's Lululemon in an XXL with the hang tag. That is so uncommon for $4. OMG. You guys, this is we're not going to be able to go anywhere else. I just found a men's Lululemon shirt for $4.
This is fantastic.
Don't yell it out.
Oh, what is that?
Look at the tag. And they didn't mark it up. It's $4. Put it in the cart. Put it in the cart.
Down in the bottom.
Wow. These are my good luck charm, ladies. Oh my god, I had that in my cart last time. I think it was too expensive, wasn't it? $8.50.
Would it fit you? Look at it's you. It's you.
I know, but it's a medium. I love this. I don't think it'll fit my chest.
So
I have several of these in my personal closet. Look at the arms.
How much?
$8.50 too.
Oh, so it's,
It'd have to be for you.
yeah. So did you see this?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah, I don't think it's a good brand.
Oh.
I'm snobby about the brands. This is packed. It's an organic eco-friendly brand. These are an XXL. I've been finding this a lot lately. These are like a cargo brand. Their website is really nice. $8. I better double check comps on those first. What'd you find, Aaliyah?
It's like
Ooh,
a
J-Jill.
tunic. I think it's a tunic or a dress.
Yes, and it's
Fabulous.
like a shirt dress
Yes.
or a tunic. And it's linen. What do they want for that one?
Oh, good question.
She also found this. Bowden
Well,
plus
that's a
size.
lot.
It's a wrap.
Yeah, I think that's too much.
A wrap dress in a plus size.
That's beautiful.
That's amazing. That was a good find. And it's $8.50, which is a little high, but I think for plus size, a great brand and a full wrap.
Is that what
It's
are you doing like a video?
I am doing a video. Don't worry, you're not in it.
No, no, that wasn't it. I just didn't.
Thought
know
I
that
was a
we're
little
talking-
weird.
No,
Is she talking to me?
I didn't.
She's very friendly. I just make videos on YouTube about thrift store shopping.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah, it's really fun.